Hi Divadolls, this is CRYSTALCHANEL and I am back with another video. Now today I partnered with Zeelool and I am super excited to share with you my top picks for prescription glasses, and if you dolls want to see what it is that I picked up, stay tuned. Okay dolls, so again I did partner with Zeelool Glasses, and this is a brand new brand for my channel, so you already know I am always partnering new brands to be a resource for you dolls so that you can shop with confidence online. But I have been an avid glasses wearer since the 3rd grade, okay, and that's a long time. So I can honestly give you this opinion. I've worn these glasses, I'm going to tell you exactly what I feel about them, and I'm gonna just tell you right now, I recommend it, okay? So I just wanna go ahead and jump right in. The actual company, it's been around for a couple of years. The reason why their prices are so affordable is because they have their own area where they have a warehouse, they manufacture everything, okay? So everything is in-house. So you get direct from manufacturer to your face pricing, okay? So be sure to check the links down below. I'm gonna put a coupon code for you dolls to shop. But anyways, long story short is that they have affordable, high-end, high-fashion glasses. All the glasses you ever see me wear, they are prescription, but I've learned a long time ago that if you have to do something, you might as well make it fashion, baby. Like, let's go. This here is a pair that I absolutely had to have. I did not think twice about it, and I love these. I love that they are so big. If I saw a man or woman wearing these glasses, my first instinct is, she's fashion. She knows what she's talking about. She is cool. Okay? Like, how do you not love these glasses? They are overly big, and they are very comfortable, surprisingly, because they are not heavy. These are the Abigail square glasses. They cost less than 29 bucks, so you can't beat it. And that includes the lenses, y'all. Like I mentioned, these lenses are actually prescription, okay? So I can just throw these on waking up and I'm good to go. These are handmade and they are so pretty, y'all. I'm gonna show you dolls what they look like. The only thing I can say is that this right here, this emblem, I don't know why it has to be there. A lot of the glasses that I picked out do not have that. They're still really cute and they're really extra, and honey, that's my middle name. So the reason why I chose these are because they're oversized, they're square. I love the fact that they have the black on the top, the tortoise on the bottom, and they are like a plastic kind of material, so they're pretty sturdy. Okay, so next I have the Malcolm Burnt square glasses. Again, I'm really a big fan of square glasses. I think they're really suitable for most faces. I love that this has this clear side. I thought that was really cool. It looks like wood when you get up close to it, which is pretty nice. It also has like that tortoise kind of look, and they're really thick, okay? So this is what the back looks like, kind of like plasticky, which I thought was interesting. But regardless, these glasses will look really nice on a man or a female, and they are less than $33. So look, they're not super big and exaggerated like the last pair that I just put on, but they are still fashion. Like, they give you this bold style because they are big, but I love the color. I think it's more muted because of the color not being jet black. It's like that tortoise color. So again, these are glasses that will definitely be a starter piece. You're going to walk down the street and get a compliment. You are going to be looked at as a person who is the boss of how they look, and we already know when you look good, you feel good, you do well, okay? So these glasses, I would take a step further to say, will help you with your confidence because they make me feel good. Now, say if you were to pick up some of these glasses and you were not in love with them, keep in mind you do have 30 days to contact the company, I believe, for like a return exchange. If something goes wrong, they're defective, you can always contact the company and they'll help you out within that 90-day period, okay? So all of their information as far as the returns, their warranties, everything is online. Now, I wanted to pick some glasses that were really minimalistic, and when I saw these, I absolutely had to have them. These are clear. These are called the Hillary Butterfly Crystal Glasses, okay? So Obviously I had to pick them up and I love them because they have my name, but that's more or less because of the color or lack of. So I really like the side detail because the side detail is like that metal shiny look. So to me, that makes them look expensive or more expensive than what they actually cost. I'm gonna tell y'all the price at the end, okay? Because I just want you to understand the quality of this brand, okay? So again, you have that metal look on the side. It's really thin. It looks real dainty. I love that this has like this cat eye, which is really pretty. I love that the plastic on these is pretty thin. It's not super thick. So I think everything about it is dainty and feminine, and I thought that was really important to have. And the gold detail is definitely my favorite. Sometimes I do match my glasses to the hardware jewelry that I may be wearing. So I love the fact that these are detailed in the gold. And I also love the fact that these ones are lightweight. They don't feel really heavy on my face. So being that these are all clear framed, like crystal framed, you can literally wear this with absolutely anything. I think these look really business appropriate. I feel like a sexy, smart, sophisticated librarian or teacher. I mean, I really love these glasses. Can I just share with you, these glasses are less than $13. I did not stutter. I did not make a mistake. $13, okay? There is a sale going on for the website, so that's why it's important for you to check it out. But again, you can use my coupon code. $13, you don't even need a coupon code, y'all. You get a complete set of glasses for $13. That's amazing. And these are beautiful. Okay, next I have this pair of glasses. This is the Kyle Cat Eye glasses. I absolutely love these glasses because they're very bold and they are a statement, okay? They're letting you know, hey girl, I'm here, I'm fashionable, I'm cool, but they're not too avant-garde to where it's just like, she can't pull that off, or she tried it. These are a good in-between. I think they fit my face really well. I really love the color. I love, again, the shape, the big thickness on the side. I don't know about you, dolls, so when I'm wearing my glasses, I do like to think about and see how they look from the side, because a lot of times your profile is really important. So being that I'm a woman that pays attention to details, I love the way they look from the side. I love that they're thick, and I love that they have that tortoise color, okay? So again, this gives me fashionable, librarian. Like I definitely adore these, and yeah, I think they go great with colored lipstick. I can see myself rocking this with a red lip or a hot pink lip. Again, these glasses are super cute, and you just would not believe the price. For less than $27, you can grab these glasses, and again, it's a complete pair, and they're really cute, and they feel comfortable on. So yeah, I would recommend it. Now, if you're wondering how the glasses come shipped, just so you know, they do come shipped really well. They come with their own case, and then they have their own lens cleaner. I really like that they also included this measurer. So again, when you're doing your measurements, you have to get your PD. I think it's like polarity distance or something like that. It's basically the width between your two eye pupils, okay? So from the center of this eye and this eye, when you put this up to your nose and you look through it, what is the measurements, okay? So that's what you would have to tell the doctor. I did mine with the actual inch measuring tape, and it was like 3 inches. That's what I gave them, and this is how they fit. They fit pretty well. In the package, they also give you this, which looks like it's just a repair kit. So it's some kind of screwdriver. It has a key ring and then some replacement nose cushions. Last, we have these glasses. Again, I'm in love with the clear frames. The reason for that is because, again, I do love to wear makeup, okay? So when I'm wearing makeup, I love the fact that these clear glasses do not take away from my look. They're kind of neutral, so to speak, and they're highly fashionable. Now, these are the Lee Aviator glasses. I think they're really casual but cute. Really cool looking because of the glasses being an aviator lens. It has that gold detail up here. I'm pretty sure there's other option colors available. It looks like they have them available in black as well. These particular glasses are less than $22, and they are really well made. Again, plastic frames, clear, lightweight. They do have the metal detail up here, so it kind of gives you a little bit of glam and a little bit of flair. But aviator glasses have been known for years to be like a staple of feeling fashionable, like high-end, like streetwear. I would say if you don't have a pair of Aviator glasses, whether they're sunglasses or eyeglasses, you need to get a pair because they are the ultimate chic eyeglass accessory. These are really cute. I love these so much. There's so many more glasses that I had it narrowed down to. It's so hard for me to choose. I love that I partnered with Zeelool because y'all, we on budgets out here. We're trying to be debt free out here. We're not trying to spend all our coins. We don't need to have a label. We just need to look good and feel good. And I believe strongly that if you dolls tried any of these lenses and you put them on, you will absolutely adore them and feel exactly how I feel. Okay, dolls, so that is it. Again, I am super excited to share with you this brand new company to my channel and just to find fashionable glasses that basically you can match to your personality, to your mood, and to your lifestyle. I think that's really awesome. Okay, so again, I'll put the links down below to everything that I picked up, and even though they're already affordable, I will put a special coupon code for my Divadolls because you know I got to be a resource and help you slay, honey. So we're gonna be slaying on a budget. Again, I can't really say anything else. I mean, they're really cute, they are well made, they are affordable, and girl, if you're gonna wear glasses, you might as well make it fashion, you know? Now, if you don't already subscribe to this channel, what are you doing, girlfriend? Go ahead and stop what you're doing, smash the notification bell, hit that subscribe button. Also, be sure to check out my fitness and my vlog channels. I'll put those links down below in the box. And if you don't follow me on social media, please do that. You can follow my Instagram and my Snapchat at Chrissy the Doll. And that's really it. I really want to say thank you, dolls, so much for your ongoing love and support. And as always, stay fabulous and stay fierce.